My name is Allie. I'm 21. I got a breast surgery at Dr. Herring's office in November of last year, and it was actually just a thought at first, thinking about getting my boobs done. And I went online and found Dr. Herring's website, saw a lot of the pictures of before and after of his work. Was pretty interested. I called the next day. They actually got me in, I think it was a Tuesday, or they got me in like the Wednesday, the next day, to come in and see them for a free consultation. It lasted about an hour. I got a lot of information, and it was pretty crazy actually. I walked in and it was just really a thought. Like, I didn't think I was going to get my boobs done or at all, really. I just wanted to see, maybe what it was about. I was just pretty much interested in it. After coming in and everybody being so friendly and nice and talking to me, not like I was like a patient, but as like kind of like they knew me or they were getting to know me, which was awesome. When I left, I actually was like very convinced I wanted to do it, and I was just gonna figure it out. And actually that day, I decided that I was gonna go ahead and get surgery. And so I called back the next day and scheduled my surgery, and I got it a week later. And the office was really good with working with my hours. I work a lot of hours. I usually work in the afternoon. So they got me in on one of the 2 days that I'm off every week, and got me in for surgery. And I was very nervous at first. I actually came by myself. I had a friend drop me off. So I didn't have like a family member or anything, but I felt fine. Like, everybody was awesome. I was actually talking to the anesthetist before I fell asleep, and the next thing you know, I woke up and everybody was there, smiling faces. It was awesome. I came in the next day for my, I guess it would be like my post-op. Came in. Dr. Herring was awesome. Everything was fine. I just really couldn't believe that. It finally happened a week later. What I thought that I would probably maybe get years down the road, they actually made that happen for me. It was great. And well, a couple months later, I had to get a minor procedure. So Dr. Herring actually, worked it in again to my schedule for work. The staff was great, helped me out with everything. Any questions I really had helped me. I didn't have to pay for anything for my procedure, which was awesome because it was unexpected. And same thing again. Everything was great. I feel like I'm kind of like a hypochondriac, so every time I feel something's wrong, I call Dr. Herring, and well, he also gives you his number, so you have his cell phone number. So I've called him multiple times, like, something's wrong or something doesn't look right, or I've called him multiple times, or I've called the office, or can I just get an appointment just to come in there, just look at me just in case. And every time it's not a problem. They work it in really the next day or the next 2 days. I'm in here seeing Dr. Herring. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, it's been months now down the road. I think it's going to have been like 10 months maybe down the road. And I literally just called last week, and just because I wanted to make sure everything was going fine. I wasn't having any problems or any pain or anything, but I just wanted him just to look at them and just make sure they were doing fine. And yeah, sure enough, I'm great, and they're still here to help me almost a year down the road. So yeah, I'm very grateful and thankful. Thank you.